Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're working on Jeff's truck, the 3rd gen. Got a bunch of wiring, trailer plugs, and what is it, trailer brake system?
Yeah, brake controller.
Yeah, oh yeah, brake controller. That's
Brake controller, and then a harness and gooseneck. Plug.
So we got the, oh, go ahead. We got the Teknosha, or Tekonsha, is that what that says? Yeah. P3, which pretty much means it's got all the digital instead of
Nothing.
Yeah, instead of pretty much nothing. And then I believe this thing will pretty much tell you when there's a problem with the wiring or the plug. It just pretty much throws a code, so you'll know if something's not working right off the bat.
So we're gonna put in a brake controller,
Yeah, brake
put in
controller.
that harness, and put a plug in the bed so that.
I believe, what is it, 3rd gen's up. They have a little plug under the dash. I guess we'll have to check 2nd gens, whether they do or not, I'm not sure.
Doubt it.
But pretty much you can just buy this harness and plugs in under the dash, and it'll plug directly into the controller, and you're pretty much good to go, aside from mounting it. This one I think we're going to go a different route and try putting it at the front of the center console. So we'll see how that works out.
Might have to extend a harness or something like that.
Yeah, if we need to.
And then we'll put a trailer plug in the bed and wire in that
Oh yeah.
I don't know, rear of truck harness adapter.
So this, we got to, oh, did you get another one of an actual plug for trailer connector?
No.
So basically is what we can do is put this on the truck harness itself, and then it plugs in to here, and then this plugs into the truck plug-in for trailer or tongue pull trailer hitches, and then this goes up to the gooseneck plug-in.
That's about it, honestly.
Yeah.
Have fun, try it out, put it in.
Which you might have to pick up.
Yeah, we'll have to pick up another
Yeah.
one of these. So this came in the kit, and then we'll have to pick up another one that goes in the bed, because your stock one, that's what this is doing right here. This pigtail is adapting it from your stock plugs into this harness and a system where, you know, you break stuff, you can replace it quicker and it's more readily available, right?
Yeah, well, most of them come with the plug that just plugs into this. Or
You're talking like 4th gen and 5th gen.
4th gens, they just come with this already on the truck.
Yeah. So we're just updating it. Okay. We'll start putting stuff in.
Started.
So what we're doing is we're trying the plug into the harness in the cab for the controller, and we're gonna think about putting it right here. We have an empty spot with it's already got a hole into it back into the dash. That way we mount it over here instead of kicking it with your knee. You know, those are always super fun. So we're going to try it out. If the harness ain't long enough, we'll actually probably extend the harness. Anyway, see what we can do.
see. So I just drilled a hole a little lower and back. There's a bunch of metal stuff back there, so I had to miss it all. And then I fed it through that loophole, and then the blue plug right there is the stock plug-in that it comes with. Oh, I wonder what that is. If you can see that, somebody screwed something into the firewall and missed the metal. Wonder what that's holding. If I was to bet on who did it, it would be me. I'll bet it's the wiring harness to the fuel pump. Hood shocks are gone out, but sure enough, right there. I did it. Just don't tell Jeff. He would not be pleased.
That looks pretty good. Shadows make it weird.
Red, yellow, green, and 2 blacks. Ugh.
Okay, so what did we learn? No matter what used vehicle you come across, somebody's had their dirty little fingers in it, right? Somebody has clipped a wire or 2 or 10 or a harness and then just shove shit places.
Yeah.
That's always going to be the case.
But I feel like we find this out on every vehicle we get, no matter what.
No matter what. And then the second thing is if you're doing, well, we recommend anywhere on a vehicle, but mainly areas that can interact with the elements.
Yeah.
But just be kind to everyone else and just use these heat shrink butt connectors. And other than that, pretty basic install, yeah. Harness into the dash, controller works. We'll test it out on a trailer, shorten up some wiring harnesses. Okay, thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.